All right. Let's get this going. Yep, Contenders 203 coming up right now. 2 seconds. All right, Contenders 203. Here we go, fellas. I can't even. That hit is insane. That card is gorgeous. Contenders 203. I can't get over that box. Good luck, everyone. Winston, Rookie of the Year, die cut. Base. Smith and Funchess, round numbers. Base. All base does ship for the eBay breaks, just so you guys are all aware. If you see me miss a variation, don't worry. Does ship for the eBay breaks. It's like our first hit. Darren Smith, rookie ticket auto. Going to the Bengals, that is Eric. Bunch of numbers. Eric, H-I-L. Terry Bradshaw, legendary Contenders. Nelson and Rogers, touchdown tandems. Oh, yeah, my... Sorry, guys. I guess I confused it a little bit there. Got to pay for shipping on your eBay breaks with Contenders. Something with heavy base, it will ship with your eBay breaks. Amari Cooper, Rookie of the Year, Contenders. Thanks for clearing that up, Cal. I appreciate it. Paul Dawson, Rookie Ticket Auto. Another one for the Bengals. Eric, H-I-L. There's a good one. Tyler Lockett, Playoff Ticket Auto. 77 of 99. It's the Seahawks, right? Yes. Going to 4-tier with the Seahawks. DeMarco Murray, MVP Contenders. Brandon Marshall, the pennant. Trey McBride, rookie ticket auto. Going to the Titans. Micus, KSJ5RJ. Dominique Brown, rookie ticket auto. For the Bucks, I love the Seminoles. Wonder if he's looking for a Winston. There's a Winston. The pennant. Danielle Hunter, rookie ticket auto for the Vikings. Ben, JAM. Williams and Aguilar, round numbers, numbered 53 of 99. The Jets and Eagles. Jets and Eagles are both Ben, JAM. So there you go, Ben. Demarius Thomas, pennant. Base. Matt Stafford. Something he'll never see. Last pack, all base. Here we go. That will do it for Contenders 203. Need to put it in as Ben Jam in. Then I'll say your full name every time.